everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and I'm going to be covering Vechain today. So yeah, it's not going to be a happy, fun, great video today. I mean, I'll try and make it fun, but you know, it's not good signs at the moment. It's really not good signs. We've lost our strong, very strong weekly support level here. We've completely lost that. Come back to use as resistance. I think we're going to be heading down. So let's just look at a couple of weeks before. At this candle here, this is called a doji candle, or a spinning top. It's kind of in between because the body is closer to the top than the bottom. So if we call it a spinning top, anyway, at support, a spinning top means you're going to continue, or even a doji at support means you're probably going to continue. You know, the buyers are going to win. However, this spinning top / doji is at resistance here. It's at the ceiling, which means that we were going to head down. You know, it's quite strong signs that we were going to head down, but we weren't sure how far. Maybe we're just going to come fill in this wick down. Maybe we're going to come and touch the lows here and then reverse. So at this point, we couldn't say that we were going to be doing this and going down like this, but that's what it's done. So that was at the ceiling and we went down. We dropped heavily, Last week was the week that confirmed that we were going to continue down, in my opinion. I mean, everyone thought we were going to hold the lows here, maybe even the lows here, you know, where this wick is. It could have held there. That's what everyone thought. However, once you've lost this low, you know, we're going to be dropping down heavily. We're probably, this is the next low here, and that's a 0.033 cent for Vechain. Lose this low, you're coming here. Lose this low, you're coming down here. You know what I mean? We could be in a bear market right now. We could. However, it can always reverse. Obviously, I don't know. No one knows what the chart's going to do. We can only predict. So let's add some fibs on here. Ooh. So swing low to swing high. So yeah, we lost this key 618 here. Obviously, we know that this level is so significant to hold for continuation to the upside, especially when you're in a retracement, in a dip. Completely lost that. Completely lost the 786 as well. Now we're coming down to test the 1 fib level here. So our next target is 0.042 cent for Vechain. Are we going to hold this? I'm not sure. Obviously, we're at previous lows. So if we do hold this, maybe we'll consolidate here for a long time before eventually going back up. But I don't think it's going to be a quick time thing. I don't think it's going to happen quick. It's going to take many weeks, many months, I think, before we even get back above here. A long time. Obviously, if we lose the 1 then, our next target is 1618, and that's at 0.016 cent for Vechain. So it's an absolutely banging buying opportunity. Even here, banging buy opportunity. But I wouldn't buy, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. Do what you please, buy and sell when you want. But I would not buy any more here because you have to wait for it to play out. Because if you buy here and it drops further, you know, obviously you can hold and get that money back eventually. But we just don't really know where the chart's going to go. Obviously, if we hold here, consolidate, and it's looking like we might work our way up, that's a great buying opportunity. But until then, it looks like we're going to be hitting one of these free levels here. We could get stopped out here, could get stopped out of the 1414 at this kind of area here. So that's at 0.0225 cent. Sorry. Obviously, we're way overextended from our moving averages, so if we do come back up, the most we're going to do, in my opinion, is hit the 786 for continuation down. So don't get your hopes up if we do have a retracement up, because you still have to retrace in a downtrend like you retrace in an uptrend. You still need to retrace to find resistance for continuation, and it will be here too. If we break the 1, we'll retrace back up, and it might look like it's going to get above, and then it will carry on going down. So there's no really key patterns here at the moment, guys. We're just free falling. As you can see here, we had 1, 2, 3 red weeks in a row, 1, 2, 3 red weeks in a row, 1, 2 here, but that was a huge red week here. So we could get a good few more red weeks before we even have a green week. And with that green week, if it gets us back above the 0.618, then yeah, I'll be pretty sure that we're going to head back up. But if it drops below, then, you know, we're going to be going to the 1618 guaranteed. So it's not looking the best. Obviously, this is normal for crypto. You know, if you lose levels, you're going to go to the next target. It's not unheard of, and it's different to any bull / bear market we've had before. So yeah, for me, on the weekly, if we're getting back above this weekly yellow support, above the 786, I'm confident that we are going to carry on going up in this bull market. We are going to carry on, and we're going to continue to the upside, you know, breaking these highs. However, if we're still under here using it as resistance, falling below the 1, then that confirms to me that we are bearish 100%, and we'll be going down to at least the 1618 here. Well, at least here, at most, the 1618 for now. And that's just in my opinion. I'm sure many people would agree, though, that it's not looking good for the chart. So let's have a little look on the daily. I want to stay on the bigger time frames, though, at the moment, but I will just have a look. You can see here that we did have a retest of this area here, so it looks like we are definitely going to continue down. I just want to go back on the weekly quickly, actually, because if you see, we had this M pattern here. If I go from top to bottom, put that on the breakout here, that does give us a technical target to 0.033 cent as well. If I add those fibs back on, that will take us below the 1. So if we hit this technical target and start retracing back up, I'm confident if we hit this target, come back to hit our head on the 1, then we're going to continue down. I just forgot to say that. So anyway, back to the daily. Let's have a little closer look here. These fibs are so far out. Sorry, guys. So yeah, as I said, we've come back and hit our head in this area here. So we are going to definitely continue down to at least the 1. As I said, when you lose the 1618, it's possibility of a reversal wave, at least to the 1 fib level. So if we can hold out here, and we can maybe consolidate here and confidently hold it as support, getting back above the 786, eventually above the 0618, I'm very confident that we will be heading back up. But until then, we are bearish here. There's not much else to say on the daily time frame. I mean, we know we've lost this huge support here. So at the moment, it would be hoping for me to say, oh yeah, we're going to just reverse and go back up. No, I don't think that is going to happen at the moment. Obviously, we could even be filling in this huge wick here, but that's still going to be going down. It's still bearish at the moment. So I've really just got to wait and see how Bitcoin plays out. That's the most important coin at the moment to determine what is going to happen in the next few weeks, in the next week even. So I've just got to see what happens, guys. I will keep you updated as much as I possibly can. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.